Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to allow cookies on Google Chrome. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe and liking this video. First, you need to open Google Chrome in your computer or your mobile device. Then after, you can see there is a three lines in top right corner. Just tap on it and scroll down a little bit. Then you can find setting here. Just tap on it. Then you can see there is a option called privacy and security in the left side menu. Just tap on it and scroll down a little bit. You can see there is an option called site setting under the privacy and security section. Just tap on it and scroll down until go to the content section. Under the content section, there is the first option called third party cookies. Just tap on it, and there are three options here: allow third party cookies, block third party cookies in incognito mode, and block third party cookies. You currently it is set as the second option. You can allow all the third party cookies by just tap on it, or you can block all the third party cookies using this one, and you can block third party cookies on until only the incognito mode. It is the better option, so I choose the second one. And yeah, and you can another option called sites allow to use third party cookies. That means you can add the site uh, manually to add the cookies from that site, like www.wikipedia.com. If you add that one here, yeah, now you can allow the cookies only from this site. Okay, I'm going to delete that one. Yeah, yes, this is how you can allow or block cookies in your Chrome browser. So if you gain some knowledge from this video, please consider subscribe and like this video. Thank you.